out.
Ah! They don't want you to fall off.
I'm scared. Dude, imagine we just look in and we see someone just waving at us. That'd be terrifying. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, this won't be so scary. Oh my god. Ghosts. Oh my god! There are people here. Oh my god. I'm scared. Okay, so enter if you did. I don't. So they work here. Okay. I hate this. I hate this. I want to cry. I hate clowns. He is. Is he real?
No.
Okay, they're okay. Those are some normal people. Okay, those are normal. They're normal.
They're pirates.
Okay, thank God. Oh, I hate clowns so much. I don't like them. I regret this. I don't want to be out here anymore.
Oh, it's too late. We paid to be scared.
I don't want it. You said that no one would scare us.
I mean, I didn't think you'd be scared. You're a big kid.
Oh, you. Oh, look. I love the Grim Reaper. Oh, hello. Hi. No thanks. No thank you. I'm good. I don't trust this. How long is this? I don't trust it. Well, we're at least have the clowns, right? Right? Is that Mr. Beast? Okay, yeah. I'm doing like this whole thing. Vlog. Okay. Oh, that tree has a face. It's nice. Taylor Swift. It looks like Taylor Swift. What? Person? Okay, person. There's a person. Oh. Okay, I get. Oh, hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. You seem nice. Bye bye. Look at my feet. I'm coming. I'm not scared.
No, I'm saying hi. I'm Stop encouraging them to get cool. Oh, that's cute.
That's not for nothing. I'm scared. Okay. I want to get off. Okay.
Your lights really help.
Okay, you're welcome. Because I'm. Oh my gosh. Okay. I thought that was someone. Dude. Oh my god. I want to puke. And I'm shaking and cold. Okay, but they can't. They won't actually hurt us, right?
No.
They'll just scare us. Okay. Okay, person. They better not. Oh, I think that's. Oh, look, someone's right there. I think. Or it's just like a pulse. There's someone behind us. Okay. I thought there's someone behind us. Oh, is that Candy? Ghost crying? Oh. I thought there was someone here. No? Guess I was wrong. Okay. Oh, we already passed them and they just didn't want to scare us. Okay. Like, I know this was gonna be scary, but not that scary. I thought this was like a 4-year-old or older and older. I told you some people were gonna scare us, but no, you don't listen to me. Oh, look, there's people over there. Oh, she's doing something. Oh, you scared me earlier. You scared me earlier. Oh! I hate clowns.
That's great.
Yeah, she's nice. Hello again. SpongeBob! It's SpongeBob! He looks like SpongeBob. SpongeBob with Cray Cray.
Oh, no, no.
Are you gonna come with us?
Yes, why not?
Yay! Yes!
Oh my god.
Just get your own friend! Just on you! Oh, I didn't even tell. Why is he here? Oh, skeleton! Oh, he's just dancing. He ain't trying to be scary. Spooky, scary skeleton. Oh, spooky, scary skeleton. They ain't trying to scare us. They're friendly. Hey, hey. Yeah, have a nice day or night. Woo. Dead man's curve. That means they're dead man. Oh, she coming with us because she chill like that. She nice. She scared us earlier though.
You scared?
No. Because you already did that earlier.
You know me. That's the issue.
Yeah, you scared me because I'm terrified of clowns, bro. Oh, I'm shaking because I'm so cold here. She's chill. She don't have to follow us, but she is because she's nice. Oh, what's this? Oh, they got enough food or something? Oh, cars. Car. Okay.
That was disturbing.
Disturbing, yeah. Yeah, Halloween. That was a very spooky voice, though.
It's because he's speaking wide. I can see the cars on the road.
Oh, I kind of feel like I want to puke. Oh no, I'm a little sick from eating all the candy. We're almost done. And then we died. I always say that. Gunner's heaven. Fun experience. Terrifying, but fun. Okay. I'm gonna have nightmares though. Oh, there's someone like right there. This
Roll the switch.
oh.
You know how Dad tells you about like they switch tracks for which train they go on?
No. Yeah, you know. Someone died. Got eaten by a
They
zombie.
kick somebody off on the ride.
Yeah. Boo-boo.
Spider.
That's like, that was 7 whole minutes of a creepy ride.
Just start recording the whole way.
Yeah. Alright, and we done.